Hello, welcome, and today I would like to share with you a technique to help you to release some anxiety or fear or anything that you might be feeling. A lot of us right now are feeling stressed and a lot of unease because there's a big pandemic going around. But this technique I'm going to show you works for even little things because you want to get rid of these feelings and emotions that are negative in your body. So I'm going to teach you a real simple way, but even though it's simple, it's still effective. So a real simple way to get rid of these negative emotions. All you need is a pen or a pencil and just a piece of paper, and that's it. Well, in some type of disposal system when we're done. So to start out, I want you to just kind of tap into your body and try to figure out what emotions might be stuck. Right now for people, there's a lot of fear, anxiety, grief, feelings of loss, and that type of thing. And so what I want you to do is just start out. I feel afraid because, or I feel whatever that emotion is. Fill in that blank of whatever emotion, or if you don't know, just put I feel bad because, and then just start writing. And when I do this, I do it in cursive writing, but if you don't know how to write cursive, you can do print. And so I feel afraid because there is a scary virus going around, and I don't know what to expect. Okay, notice I'm writing sloppy. I don't care about spelling. I don't care about neatness at all. In fact, the more I write, the sloppier it's going to get. As those emotions start to come out, then my writing will get less and less legible, but that's okay because you're not going to give this to anybody to grade or to read. You're going to get rid of it. So after you've written for about five, maybe 8 minutes tops, then you'll have something that might look about like this. So this is one that I've already done, and I just want you to see that you can't even read this thing. It's just a mess. It looks like I've just been scribbling because really I have. And I've been getting out some negative emotions. And now that it's done, I am going to get rid of this. So I'm going to just shred it and tear it into little tiny pieces. Or you can burn it if you have your parents' permission, if you're a kid or if you're an adult, maybe putting it on a garbage or a barbecue grill to get rid of it will work. So just get rid of, and even that tearing motion is getting rid of some of that negative energy. We just want to get rid of it all. Make sure you shred it all up and get rid of it. And then, since you've gotten rid of all this negative emotion, so you've gotten that out, it kind of makes like a vacuum inside your body. You need to fill it in with some good. So I want you to imagine all this light coming in from this waterfall above your head and just filling up your whole body with light everywhere that you let out this yucky stuff. So super easy tip. You can listen to some calming music while you do this or whatever works for you, but this technique really helps. So hope you feel better soon. Thank you. Bye.